What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. I'll be showing you guys how to take apart and rebuild a three-piece wheel. So first of all, the tools you will need is a 5/16 socket and a 10-inch wrench. As you guys can see now that I'm loosening all the bolts with the ratchet and the 5/16 socket. I'll go all the way around until all the bolts are loose. Now they're all loose, I'll be using a, a impact drill to to take out all the bolts and the nuts. It's faster than by hand. Some bolts are still tight, so I had to still break them to get them off. So got all the bolts, put them inside the magnetic pan so I don't lose them. See if I can reuse them. All the bolts are off. Now this is the hard part and the scary part, as you'll be taking the face off the rim, and you don't want to damage your rim, the face of it. So I put blankets and I stomped it out with my foot, and it came out really easy. And yeah. So now you'll be cutting off all the silicone so you can split the lip and the barrel. And you'll be cutting more to the lip because we will be replacing that. It is called a three-piece rim because there's a face, a lip, and a barrel. And that's why it's called.